case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1972, the United States Supreme Court examined an eye-opening case, Barker v. Wingo, which dissected the fundamental principle that an accused individual holds the right to a trial without unnecessary delay. However, this case dove deeper, introducing 4 vital considerations when assessing the violation of this foundational right: length and reason for delay, prejudice suffered by the accused, and the accused's assertive actions towards their right to a speedy trial. This narrative began in Christian County, Kentucky in 1958, when Willie Barker and his accomplice, Silas Manning, were accused of a heinous crime, beating an elderly couple to death. Light was cast on Barker when the Commonwealth believed Manning held a stronger case against him. Furthermore, they perceived that Manning could provide crucial incriminating evidence against Barker. Thus, the wheels of justice started turning, albeit incredibly slowly, for Barker as the Commonwealth decided to convict Manning first. Barker's trial was repeatedly postponed, causing it to fall onto the back burner. In response to the constant holdups in his trial, Barker objected and motioned to dismiss the indictment, arguing that it violated his right to a swift trial. Despite his plea, the motion was denied, Barker was convicted, and a life sentence was handed down. Unswayed, Barker appealed, standing firmly on the argument that his right to a speedy trial had indeed been grossly violated. Barker's appeal managed to catch the attention of the Supreme Court, where justices weighed the factors of his long-delayed trial to determine if his rights had been deprived. The court affirmed the importance of the right to a swift trial, not just for its indispensable role in justice, but for its part in protecting society. It reprimanded the demand rule for its inconsistencies with the definition of waiver in regard to Barker's case. Ultimately, the court found that while the extraordinary 5-year delay between Barker's arrest and trial was magnificently unfair, with no legitimate excuse for such a length of time, Barker's request for a speedy trial was too delayed, and his prejudice too minimal to deem his due process right to a swift trial violated. Consequently, the Court of Appeals ruling was validated, leaving Barker's conviction intact.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.